Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open SOUNDPEATS audio application. Your headphones should be connected with the app. And then application open for you the headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones at the device list. But your headphones should be connected with the application. Okay, next, click at the three lines at the right top. And right here at the second line we have firmware upgrade. Firmware version is the same as software, so firmware is the same as software. Tap at this line and click check for updates. You check for updates, it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see the button download and update. Tap at this button. Don't use your headphones, just wait until this update finishes. Don't play audio also. Next step, if the update didn't help you, maybe the problem in your audio player. Firstly, I recommend it to remove this application from the application list, because we need to restart this application and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application, and update if you haven't. Now, if it didn't help you, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to connect your headphones to the power. They should start charging. At the top of your right headphone, right here we have the plug with the lightning bolt. Open the plug, and right here we have USB-C port. So you need to connect them, as I said, to the power. You can use an adapter and USB-C cable, or USB-C to USB-C to charge it from your phone, or USB-A to USB-C to charge it from, let's say, your PC. So let's do this. Now, if you see the red LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging, and that's actually all what we need. Now, at the bottom, at the middle, we have multifunctional button between volume control buttons. Press and hold this button until the LED lights blinked white and red. So press and hold. Here we go. Now we need to wait 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can remove charging cable. Then we can turn on them. So press and hold the multifunctional button again. Okay, we just did it. And now we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget this device button or Forget device button or Unpair or Remove or something else, and forget device, because if you will remove them, and if you just try to reconnect them, if you have iOS, it will ask you to remove these headphones. If you have Android, it will show you that a connection failed, so we need to remove them. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap at your headphones. We just reconnect them with the phone. Now let's reconnect them with the app, and to do this you need to open SOUNDPEATS audio app. Then you need to tap at your headphones at the device list and wait just a bit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!